If you are having trouble verifying your identity on Revolut, this guide provides clear steps to help you successfully complete the process. Follow these steps to resolve verification issues. Step 1. Check your documents. Ensure that the identification documents you are using are valid and meet Revolut's requirements. Commonly accepted documents include a passport, national ID card, or driver's license. Make sure the document is not expired and is clearly legible. Step 2. Use the app for verification. Open the Revolut app and navigate to the verification section. Follow the prompts to upload your identification documents. Ensure that you take clear photos or scans of your documents, include lighting and against a neutral background. Step 3. Provide additional information. If your initial verification fails, you may be prompted to provide additional information. This could include answering security questions or providing proof of address. Make sure to fill out all required fields accurately. Step 4. Contact customer support. If you continue to experience issues, reach out to Revolut's customer support. You can do this through the app or their website. Explain your situation and provide any relevant details to help them assist you more effectively. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your documents and any additional information, wait for a confirmation from Revolut. This process may take some time, so be patient. You will receive an email or notification in the app once your identity has been successfully verified. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any issues with your identity verification on Revolut. If problems persist, do not hesitate to seek further assistance from their support team.